Hello G-Accon users. In this video I'm going to show you how to create report for account transaction report for multiple entities. And how do we start? I go to extensions and I will select G-Accon for Xero, and under get accounting data reports I select custom reports. This is where my account transactions placed. So I select account transaction reports, and now we know we will generate account transaction report for demo company AU. It's a nice set of the data created by Xero itself. So instead of dynamic date range, which has this month selection, I'm going to extend this date range, and I will start, I want to create account transaction reports for July data till October, end of October. So what else I'm going to do? As soon as I'm going to create account transaction report for two entities in my example, I need to identify one entity versus another. And for this reason, I will add organization name, and it will give me last column, and you can see exactly what entity you're looking for, what transactions coming from which organization. And this is my first template, and now I will just click on the execute button. So what it does here, as soon as I'm pulling data from Xero, I'm creating my template. So basically I save my structure, and then I pull data from Xero entities. So as soon as it's done, we will see the result, and then we will move to different organization. So I didn't go to details how to connect different entities, but I think you know how to add organization, and that will be very first step to establish connection. All right, so what you can see transactional data. You can see it will be checks here, invoices, bunch of different records, and as the last column you can see organization. All right, so this set of data will be finishing in row number, I'm scrolling down to show you where is my data set will be finished, and it will be under 551. This is last row. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch entities. So I'll go to G-Accon for Xero, and I select switch organization option, and it will give us opportunity to choose different entities. Again, all this entity already connected. So basically you already established connection. So you choose G-Accon for demo. It's our demo organization, but now I'm going to attach account transactions from G-Accon LLC demo organization to my previous organization. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to extension, select G-Accon for Xero, and then again I can pull the same report, account transaction report. So now what I'm looking at, I'm not changing any tables. All selections will be by default. If you want to change it, you have to make sure everything aligned properly. So this is my account transaction report. I select the same set of data from the date range perspective. So I select July 1st and October 31st. This is my ending period. So now it's very important. I will select change pool settings, and what I have to do, I will remove create a new sheet. In this case, no new tab will be created. I will not need display report title. This report title will be only as a part of your first template. Then I will leave create deep links to Xero. I will not need a header, so I uncheck this option. And then this is very important. This is an option which is allow you append data from execution of your second template to the data set of the first template. And I will not forget to add organization, right, as a last column. And now I can click on execute, And what we're going to see, I'm going to scroll down in row number 552, and you can see continuation of account transaction reports. So basically, it's an endless functionality. In my example, I added only account transactions for 2 entities, 2 organizations, but you can add as many as you want. So, and final step, I'm going to show you how to create refresh. All right, so this is I think our second organization give us pretty big description somewhere. So I'll go to area where I have new set of data. So it's right here. So this is new set of data. 555, you go on the bottom, this is new set of transactions, and you can see on the right side you can differentiate all records by column U in our case, right? When you have demo organization here and G-Accon is there. So then if you have different structure, this alignment will be absolutely, all records will be absolutely aligned. So your next step will be automation. So before we automate the whole refresh process, I'm going to click on edit. So you will see in this specific tab, I do have 2 different templates, and these templates will be automated. So it's account transaction for demo organization, and this is account transactions for G-Accon organization. And very last step will be automation. I select G-Accon for Xero, automation, create workflow. So very first screen of the workflow, as usual, it's our scheduling. So you can put account transaction refresh. You can put description. I usually do scheduling piece here. For example, I want to refresh my data daily at 5 a.m. So it goes by your locale. So basically, if I select daily at 5 a.m., so this is your scheduling piece. And don't forget to add your template. So in my case, I select my account transactions for 2 different entities. I move them from left side, which is show us available templates, to the selected template, and then you click on the button create, and this is how you set up automation. All right. Thank you guys so much. If you do have any questions, you know how to reach us at support@econ.services. We're open for all your feedbacks and emails if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.